Hey guys, today I want to talk to you guys about maintenance. So, with winter storage and all the things we've been talking about, I also wanted to touch base on just some general maintenance as far as the rooftop tent itself. A lot of customers have used them for a complete season or even years, and this isn't something that we've done a video on before. So, I just wanted to touch base real quickly. So, on the rooftop tent, your Rainfly, the bungees that open and close that as you raise and lower your tent are 3 mm. So after about the first 200 cycles, it is recommended that you slightly tighten each of those, just pull them in and slightly tighten them up with a new knot, just because they will have a tendency to do the bungee thing and expand after at least the first 200 cycles. As far as the lifting system itself with the ropes, those are going to only stretch very, very slightly after the initial first 10 uses of it. So it's not something you really have to worry about unless you start to have problems with one side, one corner not opening all the way or having problems. If that's the case, shoot me an email or give us a call. We have some steps from South Africa on what you can do to kind of help with the ropes if they get super out of balance. But the main ropes that raise and lower with that pulley system, you aren't really going to have any problems with. It's that Dyneema rope, really tough stuff. So barely any stretching on that. Just the bungees themselves that operate your Rainfly. Like I said, after the first 200 cycles, just give it a little tug, tighten it up a little bit. Again, if you have any questions, shoot us an email or give us a call, and we're happy to help. You can also drop your questions or comments down below, and we will get back to you on those as timely as we can. Thanks, you guys. Have a good weekend.